welcome back. A number of you have asked, what is the best type of glue to use for jewelry? Because out there is metal glue, leather glue, fabric glue, two-part epoxy, there's always Krazy Glue. What is the best thing to use? And so today I'm going to do an experiment based on whether or not it tarnishes the metal, how strong it is. So I hope you enjoy this. So I want to try jewelry glue, this Gorilla Glue, two-part epoxy, and Krazy Glue. Here I have 6mm faceted of different stones. The reason why I'm using different stones is so that I remember which ones are with what glue. And I want to use a head pin. Basically, I want to glue it on like this. And then when it's all cured, I'm gonna put a wire through, wrap around it, and see how much strength is required before it snaps off. So that's why I wanted to use a bead and to have the holes going this way so that do my experiment. So I'm gonna line these up. Okay, two-part epoxy, both sides. Actually, I don't know whether or not I can reuse that. I don't think so once it's done. So I'm just going to try to save it in case I have to redo this experiment with this plastic so that they don't mix. Okay. So now it sets really quickly. I have to mix the two. I'm going to put it on this one. Okay, I'm going to try the other way. Actually, that's quite pretty. I wonder what's going to happen. I'm going to leave it, in fact, because it's beaded up. But so I'll do this. Okay, so maybe I'll go back to my idea of touching up just a little bit. So that's that. Already, I like this applicator far more. With a two-part epoxy, rig up something nice and easy for it. Okay. Just putting too much. By the way, having this pin is really good so that it keeps it straight, as in not this way or that way. You can see it. Okay, let's do, this is the Gorilla Glue. Let me see. Coming out fast and furiously. So actually, it's a lot more liquidy, the two-part epoxy. And I can see that if it's flowing out from the side. So I'm gonna try that again. Now I'm worried that it might have dipped away. So here we go. I think I pumped. So lesson learned, don't go squeezing. It's a delayed reaction. So that's that. And then my trusty Krazy Glue. Oops. With Krazy Glue is if you make them, oh gosh. Ah. Okay, that's bad. My hand's stuck. The experiment must go on for the sake of science. I'm gonna move this aside and see if I can get myself settled. And I'm just going to chuck this and wait for for tomorrow so that I can show you the results. So it's been almost 24 hours. The reason I did this is so that I could use wire, wrap a loop around it so that I can use this scale, pull scale, so that when you pull on it, you can see the weight, the force, how many kilograms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pull on this until it snaps or comes off, and then we can measure the amount of force was used. Okay, so I have wire wrapped wire as tightly as possible so it's secure as I can. And I want to take this opportunity, because I think it's appropriate, to thank everyone for supporting me so that I could do these experiments. So I just dropped the phone right onto this bead and it snapped right off. And this was the Krazy Glue. So that did not work. And I can see the pool of glue that has hardened. So anyway, both of them came off. So Krazy Glue, not good. I mean, it adhered very well, but on its own like this, when it's smooth, not so good. So let's try the B7000 super adhesive glue that is for jewelry. It's waterproof and it's taste-free, flexible, and paintable. So that was what's recommended for jewelry glue as well. And this is the one with the pin. I'm gonna make sure that this is visible, and I'm gonna use a pair of pliers to grip onto this. And let's see how it goes. I'm gonna do this so you can see it. Okay, that came off. 7,000. Now I'm gonna try using it, maybe not so much force. I'm gonna use this pin. I'm gonna fold over it. Okay, so it does come off if you pull it really hard and wiggle it. I'm gonna go back to the footage to see how that went. Okay, 2-part epoxy. This time I think I'm going to do it slowly so that I can catch it on. Okay, I had to tear. Okay. 2, 3. Okay, I can't physically go beyond that. So this is really good. I'm very happy with the result of that. Okay, so this one is the Gorilla Glue. Do this again. Can't see if we can. Okay. Ooh! All right, that's pretty good. But I think this 2-part epoxy is the clear winner thus far. And I'm going to do the same with this, where I'm going to wrap around here. Okay, it did come off. So that goes to show you that although these two are very strong and I could still pry it off, and the 2-part epoxy, I still have not been able to take it off. And so while I'm doing this, I'm going to try twisting it. Oh, okay. It's not coming off, but the silver is getting twisted. So I'm really, really impressed. And this is really inexpensive. So there you have it. All 4 of these, the 2-part epoxy is a clear winner. I hope you found that to be useful. I am a wholesaler of premium quality jewelry components. I don't sell any glues, but you can certainly find those online. Meanwhile, thanks for watching, and I appreciate everyone's support. I'm going to leave a link below with more information about our company. Thanks for watching.